Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today I got a new product that I'm going to test out, and that's a Model Y sunshade. It's sunshade for my Tesla Model Y. Up here on the roof, it's a completely 100% glass, and during the summertime here in Florida, it gets extremely hot. Okay, I'm talking 100 degrees, over 100 degrees, and the sun just beating down on you. Sometimes you want that little bit of extra sun protection up above your head. Now, you don't always need it. The air conditioning works fine. The car stays cool, but sometimes you want that sunshade. So let's go ahead and pull this one out and see what we got here. Let's get started. Okay, let's see what I got here. So, with my partners here, Vic Seed, okay? I've got their car sunshade. Pretty simple here. If this is something you are interested in, I do have the link down in the description. It'll take you straight to Amazon and you can purchase it from there. But this one here is specifically for the Model Y. And what I like about this version here is that it's got two different shades. So it's got a split down the middle. Let's get started. Let's open up this box. Now it said something like it comes with clips. This is the bag it comes in. We got a couple more clips down here. I'll need the box. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. We got all 12 clips. Here's our, they do have a short link here if you want to watch an installation video, but that's what I'm doing right now. So let's just open this up. It comes in two pieces, one for the front, one for the back. I think this is going to make it really nice, but let's just go ahead and open these up. All right, so there is one thing I want to point out that they have here on these labels. It says Model Y rear. So this one here is going to go in the back, and the wording needs to go up. So that's big important part, so that way you don't see it when it's installed. And here's my front. It says Model Y front. So let's go ahead and get started with the front and install it. I will say one thing, it's going to be pretty hard to kind of record the install of this, but I'm going to get it installed and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like a little bit after, but we're going to try to do my best at recording this. But the main thing is, it says here the Model Y front. You want to make sure that is going up against the glass right there. And I want to go ahead and pull out a couple of my clips so I can work on them. And let's get it installed. Put a clip in the middle. Now, here's one thing I just noticed. You actually could drive around with just the front or just the back one on. Well, I think you might be able to do on the back, and I got an issue. I got a camera installed in my back, but maybe I can take the camera down just for a second to install this and see what I'm going to do about that camera. But anyways, but you could install this with just that. It seems like it's going to hold up pretty good. Let's see what happens. So now I'm going to get started installing in the back here. I took my camera off temporarily, and we're going to see if I can still put the sunshade up around that for now. I want to see what that does. Mostly I have the camera back here, so when I'm Ubering, I can monitor the people back here if there was something to go wrong, or it's just for my safety. People normally see a camera and they act correctly when they're in my my vehicle. So anyways, let's get started on that. Big thing is make sure that the words here that says rear, that it's going to go in the back and up. And I want to make sure that these are fitting nice and tight. I just installed it with only 3 clips. And the thing's pretty snug. It's not going anywhere. Even the middle is hardly sagging. And this is a total different look and feel in here. I mean, I can already feel the heat difference. And where I got the car parked right now, I got it parked underneath a tree in the shade, but I can already feel a difference in the temperature. I don't feel the heat coming down on my head immediately. I don't even have to put in the rest of the clips. I know I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips across the front, but in the back, it's fitting in here so tight that I don't need to put any more clips in it. All right, let's take a look at this. See, this is what the middle looks like. And as you can see, it pretty much seals up perfectly. You have a little bit of sunlight right there, but come on now. That's not a problem. It's hardly sagging. I'd say it's sitting down right here, probably 1.5 inches, maybe 1 inch from the glass. And I'm sitting in the back on the middle, and I still have plenty of headspace right here. I am not touching the top. Okay guys, for this review, I would say that this sunshade for the Model Y by Vixseed, I'm giving a thumbs up. It goes in extremely easy. I had a different version, different video where it's one piece, and it was pretty hard to install, especially by yourself. But with this one, it takes one person and is not going to take that long at all, maybe a minute or two to put it in. Just put the words facing up, front goes front, the rear goes in the rear. Use a couple clips, push the middle together right up here, making sure that it's nice and straight across, and it actually looks good. I mean, the color is an off-white, so it kind of goes good with the gray in here, as you can see, and you can still see some light through it, and it's supposed to help out with the UV protection and all that. So I think I'm definitely going to keep this in my car for probably the next month at least down here in Florida, while it is so extremely hot, and I will enjoy it. So hey, if this is something that you're interested in, like I said, the link down below will be in the description. It'll take you straight to Amazon and you can purchase this. This will work for the Model Y. I believe it's pretty much since 2020 through the 23s now. It'll work for all 3 of them. Okay guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up on it, and if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button, and most of all guys, have fun, keep driving, and be safe out there. Until next time guys, check you later. Bye.